In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform for quiz. In order to do that, first head over to typeform.com, and then from in there you can click on this Get Started, It's Free option or this Sign Up option in order to sign up for an account for Typeform. If you already have an account, head over and click on this Login right here. Since I already have an account, let me head over and click on Login. Now here is my Typeform. Let's head over and create in here a new form. Then after we have done that, this will load in order to create in here a new form or a new blank form that we have. In here, you can actually start from scratch, import questions, or create with AI. In this case, let me head over and create an AI quiz. So let me head over and choose in here this one. Let's input right here this. You can choose product recommendation quiz, personality quiz, lead qualification quiz, or let's just choose in here for all forms. Now in here, this will actually load in order to generate us the actual options that we need. Now in here, describe the goal of your form. So for example, quiz for students in college about a specific topic. For example, let's put in here physics. After that, click on continue. Input right here the topic 1. So let's put in here kinetic energy. Input right here all of the topics that you need. Let's also input right here active energy, Newton's law. And then once you have listed down all of your topics, click on this generate questions right here. And then this will craft the questions for us. So as you can see, the pages are now ready and there are actually some questions. You can see in here when you hover to the questions, you can find those particular questions right here that AI has created for us. Once you're done, you can head over and then share this particular quiz to your students. So that's how you use Typeform for quiz. Hope we help.